Hi, good morning everybody. Today we will learn initial sound of the words. Let's read the introduction. Say the initial sound of the words, then color the picture. What letter is this? Yes, this is letter G, small g and capital G. What sound for G? The sound for letter G is G. Again, G. G, girl. G, gas. G, game. Again, repeat after teacher. G, girl. G, gas. G, game. After finish, say the initial sound of the words. You can color the picture. Okay, let's color the picture of girl. Make sure you color the picture neatly. Okay, I want you to color girl, gas, and game. Next, we will learn about letter H. Again, letter H. Small letter H and capital letter H. What sound for the letter H? The sound for letter H is H. Her hand, her hand, her house. Again, repeat after teacher. Her hand, her hand, her house. After say the initial sound of the word H, you can color the picture. You can color the picture of hand, and house. Make sure you color the picture neatly. Next, we will learn about letter I. Again, letter I. Small I and capital I. What sound for the letter I? The sound for the letter I is I. I, ing. I, iguana. I, igloo. Again, repeat after teacher. I, ing. If iguana. I, igloo. After finish, repeat the initial sound of the words. Then you can color the picture of ing, iguana, and igloo. That's all for our lesson for today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.